Welcome to this tutorial on using the Engage chatbot for broadcast and chat. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to set up and use the broadcast feature, as well as how to chat with your users effectively. Step 1. Setting up your Engage chatbot. First, log in to your Engage dashboard. If you don't have an account, you can sign up on our website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bot section and click on Create New Bot. Fill in the necessary details like the bot's name, description, and language preferences. Next, customize your bot by adding intents and responses. These are the building blocks of your chatbot's conversations. You can add as many intents as needed to handle various user queries. Step 2. Configuring broadcast messages. Please note, to enable broadcast, you'll first need to configure WhatsApp integration. Once integrated, templates for broadcasts will be created on the Meta dashboard. This ensures compliance and allows for effective communication with your audience. Next, compose your message. You can add text, images, or even buttons to make your broadcast more engaging. Once you're satisfied with your message, click Preview to see how it will look to your audience. After reviewing your message, click Schedule to set a date and time for your broadcast. You can also choose to send it immediately by clicking Send Now. Your broadcast is now scheduled or sent to your audience. Let's move on to chatting with your users. Step 3. Chatting with users. Navigate to the chat section on the Engage dashboard. Here, you can see all incoming messages from your users. Click on a message to open the conversation. You can respond to user queries directly from here. Use the predefined responses or type a custom message. You can also manage multiple conversations simultaneously. Use the search bar to find specific chats or filter by conversation status to prioritize your responses. That's it. You've successfully set up and used the Engage chatbot for broadcast and chat. This powerful combination allows you to reach your audience effectively and engage with them in real time. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and support, visit our website or contact our support team. Happy chatting!